How to reset ClearScore forgotten password. Here's how. First, open any browser on your device and go to the ClearScore official website. Now on the login screen, type your registered email address in the first box. Since you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password. Then you will be asked to enter your registered email address again. After that, hit the reset button to proceed. Now it will send you an email with a link to reset your password. Open your mail and click on Reset Your Password button. On the password reset page, enter your new password in the first box. Then re-enter the same password in the second box to confirm. Finally, hit the Change Password button to reset your password. And that's it. I hope this video helped.